Hey guys, welcome back to the Untitled Tech YouTube channel. Before we see the video of mini Bluetooth earbuds, we are happy to announce that we have reached our second milestone, that is reaching 10 lakh views and more than 4,000 subscribers. On this auspicious occasion, we announced a recent giveaway. Here is the card to participate and win Wi-Fi routers. Myself, I'm RK from Review Rounder. Let's go guys! So, here is the twin wireless mini Bluetooth earbuds bearing model i7S TWS, which supports both iOS and Android smartphones. Seems these wireless Bluetooth earbuds are cloned to Apple Airpods. Indicators of i7 TWS wireless earbuds mini Bluetooth. So, this earpod acts as power on-off, answer, redial, hang up, play and pause. This is case LED light. This is case charging port, and here is case charging indicators where the red indicates charging, the two LED lights show the case is fully charged, and the one LED light means indicating the power is low, needs charging. Features of i7S TWS. The all-new i7S TWS twin wireless in-ear mini Bluetooth headphone with charging dock has got exquisite design and lightweight, but should check out the performance. It has got multi-button control that will make easier for you to use the product. Here is the metal dust net. The metal dust screen prevents dust from entering the headphones hole and interferes with your experience. You can use it with Bluetooth as it supports version 4.1, which consumes low power. Not only smartphones, you can connect with variety of Bluetooth devices, and the range of Bluetooth is 10 meters or 30 feet. The earpods are built with 60 mAh battery and the charging dock has 1000 mAh battery, where if you charge once, you can use it earpods for about 7 times. How to connect i7 TWS in single or both ears. Single ear connection. Long press the multifunction button and release the button. The red and blue lights will flash alternatively. Open the Bluetooth in the phone and search for connection and then connect. 2 ears connection. Long press left and right button together until 2 LED light flash red and blue alternatively. Double click either side button. Wait 1 LED light flash red and blue alternatively. Search TWS i7 on Bluetooth and pair it on your phone. Connecting devices. iOS, Android and any Bluetooth device. The battery is lithium polymer. Coming to the price, you can get it in online in different prices. The basic price of this wireless earpods are Rs 899. You can also find the referral links to buy in the description below. You can also share the same music or movie with your loved one. That's all about the i7 TWS wireless earbuds mini Bluetooth. Thanks for watching the video guys. If you have any query with regard to this video, kindly drop it in the comment section so that I can resolve your queries. Before signing off, kindly give your thumbs up if you liked the video or thumbs down if you didn't. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.